Everyone has a different gaming experience, so choosing the best gaming headsets can be tricky. How you plan to use them and what features matter most to you are key factors in making the right choice. Every headset has its strengths and weaknesses. If you're into esports and care about top-notch sound quality, high-end headsets are the way to go. So, which are the best gaming headsets for 2025? In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 headsets based on your budget and gaming style. Let's dive in. Number 5. HP Reverb G2. Get ready for a VR experience that will completely pull you in. Have you ever felt like something was missing in VR headsets? Sharper visuals? More realism? Well, the HP Reverb G2 is here to answer all those questions and take virtual reality to the next level. The HP Reverb G2 might just be one of the most impressive VR headsets on the market right now, and it's all thanks to one game-changing feature: insane high resolution. Goodbye screen door effect. On lower-res headsets, you can see the tiny gaps between pixels, which makes it feel like you're looking through a screen door. It's annoying and totally breaks immersion. But with the HP Reverb G2, this problem is nearly gone, pulling you right into the virtual world. A performance beast at an amazing price, it delivers top-notch visuals while beating many competitors on price. Plus, it works seamlessly with Steam VR, giving you access to tons of awesome games and experiences. Truly immersive like never before. Whether you're in the middle of an intense FPS battle or exploring the depths of space, the HP Reverb G2 takes you to another reality like never before. Is this the future of VR? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Beats fire. Number 4. HTC Vive Cosmos Elite. Ready to push the boundaries of reality? If you're stepping into the world of VR, get ready to experience a headset that will completely change the game. HTC Vive Cosmos Elite. With a crystal-clear 2880 by 1700 LCD display and an ergonomic Halo-style headband, this headset delivers top-tier visuals and maximum comfort. But what really sets the Cosmos Elite apart is its precision tracking with external base stations. Every tiny movement is detected with pinpoint accuracy, giving you an ultra-responsive and immersive gaming experience. Plus, thanks to its modular front faceplate design, you can upgrade and adapt your setup as you go. This means you're not locked into one experience. You can customize and enhance your VR journey over time. But here's the big question. Can the Cosmos Elite hold its ground against giants like the Valve Index? While it excels in tracking precision, some argue that ergonomics and controller design could be better. What do you think? Is the Cosmos Elite the ultimate VR headset? Number 3. Meta Quest 3S. The Meta Quest 3S isn't just about new features, it's also bringing some major changes in screen quality and lens technology. So do these features make it worth buying, or will it leave you disappointed? Let's dive into a detailed test and check out what features really stand out in this new model. The Meta Quest 3S uses the same chipset and RAM as the Meta Quest 3, meaning you can run the same VR games and apps. For example, games like Batman, Arkham Shadow are available for free. However, there's a difference in screen resolution. Instead of the dual screens on the Meta Quest 3, which have a 2064 by 2208 pixel resolution, the Quest 3S uses a single screen with a 1832 by 1920 pixel resolution. This leads to some loss in visual quality. Also, instead of Quest 3's pancake lenses, the Quest 3S uses the Fresnel lens system from the Quest 2. Fresnel lenses can cause some blurriness around the edges of your field of view and might reduce overall clarity. In the end, the Meta Quest 3S could be a great budget-friendly option for those looking for a cheaper choice. But for those who prioritize visual quality, the Meta Quest 3 might be the better pick. Number 2. Sony PlayStation VR2. The new generation of PlayStation VR isn't just a gaming device, it's a revolution. This technology makes a huge leap in the world of virtual reality, offering players a completely new experience. When you put on the PSVR, you're not just playing a game, you're stepping into it. You'll feel every movement, every touch. With higher resolution and a wider field of view, the game world comes alive right before your eyes. It's so realistic, you'll need a few seconds to realize you've left the real world behind. Compared to the first version, the new PlayStation VR offers a much more immersive experience. Setting up is a breeze with just one cable, no more dealing with messy wires. This makes the new system super user-friendly. But the real game changer, the new VR controller. With adaptive trigger buttons, haptic feedback and finger tracking, every movement feels more natural and tangible. The tracking capabilities between the VR controller and headset are taken to the next level, making interactions more intuitive than ever. This new PSVR isn't just about gaming, it's about exploring a new universe, stepping into a whole new dimension. It's not just another VR headset, it's an experience that goes beyond anything you've ever felt before. Number 1. Apple Vision Pro. Ready to open your eyes to the future? Vision Pro offers an experience that takes your life to the next level with groundbreaking innovation. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, managing calls, browsing the web, or discovering new recipes, everything becomes more immersive, more realistic, and way more exciting. Vision Pro takes everything you do on a laptop, phone, or tablet and brings it to life in a whole new way. The first time you put it on, you'll feel your heart rate increase. It's not just a device, it feels like you're stepping into the future. Everything is incredibly clear and deep, and transitioning between the real world and the digital world feels smoother and more natural than ever. So should you get one? If you want to stay ahead of the curve in tech, definitely try it out. Now's the perfect time to explore what Vision Pro has to offer. Plus, with the upcoming software update, Vision OS 2, the app count is growing fast, and things are only getting better. Add a whole new perspective to your life with Vision Pro.